Then the ant ran and ran. Number 2. Then the ant ran up Bill's legs. Up and up Bill's leg he ran. Then the ant ran up Todd's deck. Up and up Todd's
Desk.
he ran. Then the ant ran to the stump with a man in a kilt. Then the ant ran up, up and up, he ran. Then the ant ran up Jeff's hand. Then the ant ran up Jeff's cup. Then the ant fell into the milk in Jeff's cup. Uh-oh.
Done?
Not yet.
That's a story 2 already. You're done with the story 1?
Yes.
What happened to the ant?
He fell to the milk.
Ah, why?
Because after that, he ran on the hand, and then the ant ran up to the cup, and then he fall. Okay?
Okay.
Understand?
Understand? That's enough? We're done? We don't have battery anymore. We're done?
Not yet.
Tomorrow naman, we don't have battery.
Alright.
Okay, say bye-bye muna.